Subject English. Take out page number 63. Look at there. D. Now frame questions for these answers. Example, what do you have in the box? No, ask to Sneha madam. What do you have in the box? This is question. What do you have in the box? So answer is, I have a toy in the box. I have a toy in the box. Now look at the first one. In first question we have to make ourselves, and answer given. Answer is, I have a tadpole in the bottle. Tadpole in the bottle. So which question became in first? So question we have to make, what do you have in the bottle? Where I write D. One question we have to make, okay, and answer already there. Answer is, I have tadpole in the bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E. This is answer. Okay, I have a tadpole in the bottle. This one is answer, and question we have to make. So which question make? What do you have in the bottle? So this is question. What do you have in the bottle? Okay, this is question. Question is our answer, because in our textbook answer already given. Answer already given, and question we have to make. So question is, what do you have in the bottle? Question is, what do you have in the bottle? And answer is, I have a tadpole in the bottle. Okay, write fast. मैंने अभी लिया, देखो कितने सारे टुकड़े हो गए। अभी मैंने लिया, सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन लिखने में भूल ही जाता है। Okay, you all are done. Can I start second? Okay, look at the second question. Answer already given. Answer is the Red Fort is in Delhi. Second question we have to make, and answer is the Red Fort in capital because this is special name, and F also we have to write in a capital letter O-R-T. The Red Fort is in Delhi. Okay, here also the capital because Delhi is a name of place, city. Okay, now which question became here? This is our answer. The Red Fort is in Delhi. So question is, where is the Red Fort? Where is the Red Fort? So answer become the Red Fort is in Delhi. So question is, okay, where is the Red Fort? Okay, now look at the third one. Answer is, my teacher is Mr. Narayan. My teacher is Mr. Narayan. Okay, answer already given. We have to make question only. So which question became? Who is your teacher? Okay, who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? So answer became, my teacher is Mr. Narayan. Now write it. लिखते लिखते भी काटते हैं लोग। Okay, then let's start. Next, learn new words. Learn new words. Now look at in your textbook. A school is a place where you study. Where do you study? In school. So a school is a place where do you study. Next, use the hints given in the box and write the names of these places. Now look at the behind. In boxes, some words are given. These words are our answer. And look at the picture. In under, blanks are given. So we have to choose any word like correct word and write in the blank. Okay? So look at the picture and read the sentence. First picture, I come here to play. Think, what is this place? I come here to play. What is this? Okay, I come here to play. Where do you play? In a park. So we have to write here. P A Where you go see animals? Where you see wild animals? Zoo. So we have to write here zoo. Number 3. Here to buy toys. I come here to buy toys, chocolates and other things. Okay? If you want to buy something, then where you going? If you want to buy something, for example, you want to buy pencil, sharpener or eraser, then where you going? Where you get from? In the shop. So we have to write in third blank shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. Okay? Now look at the fourth. Here to buy stamps. I come here to buy stamps. Children, if you want to send letter by post, then where you going? In post office. And if you want to buy stamps, where you get from? Post office. So we have to write in a fourth blank post office. Right here post office, P-O-S-T, post office, O-F-F-I-C-E, post office. Okay? If you want to buy some stamps, you get from post office. Now look at the next one. 5. Ran. I sleep in this room. Where you sleeping? I sleep in this room. Which place is this? Bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-N. Okay? Where you sleeping? In bedroom. read a book, I get it from here. When I want to read a book, I get it from here. Which place is this? Which place is this? This is library. So we have to write here spelling of library. L I B R A R Y. Library. Okay? If you want to read book, I get it from library. Okay? Done everyone? Okay, right. I give you 2 minutes. Write fast. Very good. Okay, now look at the next one. Page number 65. Answer the following questions. Here, introduce about yourself. Okay, here we doing introduce about yourself. In this column, you have to paste your passport size photograph. Okay, you have to paste here your passport size photograph, and here asking some questions, and here you have to write their answer. I explain you now, but you have to write in yourself. Now look at the first question. What is your name? What is your name? So what you have to do? First you have to do paste here your photographs. Then here you have to write answer of first question. First question is, what is your name? So answer is, for example, my name is Kirti. So I write here in first answer, my name is Kirti. Second question, where do you study? I am not studying, you all are studying. So where do you study? So I study in P. Chandra International School. Okay. Next, what is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? My mother's name is, for example, my mother's name is Kusumben. So I write here number 3 answer. You have to write your mother's name. Okay. Number 4, what is your father's name? So you have to write answer 4, your father's name. Okay. And last, at number 5, what are the name of your friends? Give name only. Now wait. Look at the number 5 answer. Here you have to write 2 names of your friends. Okay. Now children, you all have you understood what I said? Wait a minute. Okay, now give me answer. You all are, have you understood what I said? Okay, so this is, okay beta. Okay, now listen. This is your homework. Okay, you have to do yourself. And if you are don't understand anything, then call me and ask me. Okay, this is your homework. Now listen everyone, I give you this is homework. Okay, here you have, everyone have to paste here your photograph. Okay, okay, now look at the next. Take out page number 66. And on Monday I learn you some more sentences which nouns. Okay, I make it in Sunday and then I teach you on Monday, which is not given in textbook. Okay, I make it myself and then I learn you, teach you. Okay, take it out number 66. Now here story given, I read it, you have to listen it. Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. Okay, Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. Okay, Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. You always take your time. You always take such care. Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. You always take your time. You always take such a care. You put me to sit on a cushion between your knees. You put me to sit on a cushion between your knees. Okay, you have to see picture also, then you get understand what line say. You rub a little coconut oil like this. You rub a little coconut oil, parting gentle as a breeze. Parting gentle as a breeze. Okay, I repeat again. You put me to sit on a cushion. You put me sit on a cushion between your knees. Between your knees. You rub a little coconut. Wait a minute, I will show you. Rub a little coconut, parting gentle as a breeze. Parting gentle as a breeze. Mummy, Mummy, she's always in a hurry, hurry, rush. Mommy get no chance. Mommy have no time. Mummy, Mummy, she's always in a hurry, hurry, rush. She pulls my hair. She pulls my hair. Something she tucks. Hey, you all mommy doing like this? Viha, mommy do like this, beta? Janu? Viha? Janu, Viha, Druhi, mommy mommy to like this, beta? Pulling your hair, Danu? Mommy pulling your hair?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
And boys, your mama also doing like this? Boys, mama also doing like this? Hey, Turaj, pull your hair.
No, मैडम मैं तो रहती हूँ कल क्यों फिर आधे गरबा गाने जाती हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा. Okay, let's read. Next is, but Granny, you have all the time in the world. Granny, you have time in all the time in the world. And when you are finished, and when you are how?